In recent years, the financial world has been witnessing a transformative revolution in the form of cryptocurrencies. Among these digital assets, one name stands out: XRP. Born in the heart of Ripple Labs' visionary mission, XRP has been making headlines and sparking debates in the cryptocurrency niche. With its unique approach to cross-border payments, lightning-fast transaction processing, and a fixed supply, XRP has attracted the attention of investors, financial institutions, and technology enthusiasts alike. However, amid its soaring popularity, XRP has faced its fair share of controversies and regulatory challenges, leaving its future in the ever-changing landscape of cryptocurrency uncertain. As we delve into the world of XRP, let's explore the intriguing tale behind its creation, its key features, real-world use cases, and the hurdles it must overcome to maintain its position as a disruptor in the financial realm. Welcome to the Cryptoholics Corner, Cryptonauts. Get ready for an exciting journey into the captivating world of XRP. In this video, we'll unravel the mysteries behind this fascinating cryptocurrency and how it has been turning heads and raising eyebrows in the financial industry. If you're passionate about cryptocurrencies and blockchain technology, you've come to the right place. Whether you're a seasoned investor or a curious newcomer, our channel is your go-to source for in-depth explorations and insightful discussions about XRP and the rapidly evolving crypto landscape. So, fasten your seatbelts and let's dive into the world of XRP, where innovation and disruption await at every turn. Welcome aboard and let the crypto journey begin. As we dive into the story behind XRP's creation and how it aims to revolutionize the way we send and receive money across borders, we'll explore the key features that make XRP unique, its impressive functionality, and the real-world applications that have sparked the interest of major financial players. But wait, it wouldn't be a cryptocurrency tale without a touch of drama. XRP has had its fair share of controversies and regulatory challenges. We'll uncover the legal battles that have added suspense to its narrative and explain how these events have shaped the future of this digital asset. In a rapidly changing landscape, with new cryptocurrencies and technological innovations emerging left and right, XRP must navigate its way through uncertain waters. The competition is fierce and the world is watching closely to see if XRP can maintain its position as a true trailblazer. So, whether you're a seasoned crypto enthusiast or just dipping your toes into the digital asset world, this video will captivate you with insights and revelations. In the ever-evolving world of cryptocurrencies, XRP emerged as a groundbreaking creation of Ripple Labs in 2012. Ripple Labs was not just another startup. It was driven by a bold vision to revolutionize the outdated and cumbersome cross-border payment systems. Traditional international transactions were notorious for their sluggishness, high costs, and inefficiency, making them a painful experience for businesses and individuals alike. To address these challenges, Ripple Labs set out to create a digital asset that could function as a bridge currency, seamlessly facilitating cross-border transactions. This is where XRP stepped onto the scene. Unlike other well-known cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, XRP did not rely on the energy-intensive proof-of-work or POW consensus mechanism. Instead, it introduced the groundbreaking XRP Ledger Consensus Protocol, enabling faster and more scalable transaction processing. The Ripple protocol, with XRP at its core, aimed to bridge the gap between traditional financial institutions and the world of cryptocurrencies. It sought to create a more interconnected and efficient global financial system, allowing money to flow freely and instantly across borders. XRP's unique approach attracted attention from financial giants and tech enthusiasts worldwide, positioning it as a serious contender in the competitive cryptocurrency space. The idea behind XRP was simple yet ambitious. To empower individuals and institutions to conduct cross-border transactions with ease without being bound by geographical boundaries or excessive fees. This visionary mission not only caught the eye of the crypto community, but also garnered partnerships with major financial players, adding fuel to XRP's rapid rise to prominence. Thus, the genesis of XRP marked the beginning of a thrilling adventure that aimed to redefine the way we send and receive money globally. With a solid foundation rooted in innovation and a grand vision to disrupt the financial status quo, XRP embarked on a journey that would captivate the minds and imaginations of millions and set the stage for a new era in the world of cryptocurrencies. Let's delve deeper into the key point about XRP, its key features and functionalities that set it apart from other cryptocurrencies. First, we have speed and scalability. One of the standout features of XRP is its lightning-fast transaction processing speed and impressive scalability. Traditional cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin and Ethereum rely on proof-of-work consensus mechanisms, which can lead to slower transaction times and scalability challenges as the network grows. However, XRP takes a different approach with its XRP Ledger Consensus Protocol. The XRP Ledger Consensus Protocol allows for near-instant transaction settlement, enabling XRP to process thousands of transactions per second. This remarkable speed makes it a highly attractive option for individuals and businesses seeking efficient and time-sensitive transactions. For example, when sending money across borders or making time-critical payments, XRP's rapid transaction processing ensures that funds arrive quickly and reliably. Secondly, we have deflationary nature. Another compelling aspect of XRP is its deflationary model. Unlike traditional fiat currencies, which are subject to inflation and can have their value eroded over time, XRP has a fixed supply of 100 billion coins. This means that no additional XRP will ever be created, making it a finite and deflationary asset. As demand for XRP increases over time, its fixed supply may lead to a potential increase in value. The deflationary nature of XRP has attracted investors and users who see it as a potential store of value, similar to how gold is viewed in traditional finance. This feature has sparked discussions about XRP's potential role as a hedge against inflation and a long-term investment asset. Thirdly, we have cost-effectiveness. In addition to its speed and deflationary nature, XRP offers a cost-effective solution for financial transactions. The low transaction fees associated with XRP make it an appealing choice for various use cases, especially for cross-border payments and remittances. Compared to traditional banking systems, which can involve significant fees and intermediaries for international transfers, XRP's low transaction costs make it an attractive alternative. This cost-effectiveness has not only caught the attention of individual users, but has also led to strategic partnerships with financial institutions and payment processors seeking to streamline their operations and reduce overhead expenses. Its ability to process transactions rapidly, combined with its fixed supply, has positioned XRP as a digital asset with strong potential for value appreciation. As the financial landscape continues to evolve, XRP's innovative characteristics and practical applications make it an exciting cryptocurrency to watch and a contender for reshaping the future of global finance. Now, let's explore another aspect of XRP, its wide range of practical applications and versatility in real-world use. First, we have cross-border payments. One of the primary and most prominent use cases of XRP is facilitating fast and cost-effective cross-border transactions. Traditional international money transfers can be slow, taking several days to settle due to intermediary banks and complex correspondent banking relationships. Additionally, these transactions often come with high fees, leading to significant costs for businesses and individuals alike. XRP's lightning-fast transaction processing and low fees make it an ideal solution for cross-border payments. Financial institutions and banks can leverage XRP to bridge the gap between different fiat currencies and settle transactions quickly and efficiently. By using XRP as a bridge currency, Money can move seamlessly across borders in a matter of seconds, cutting down on settlement times and reducing costs significantly. Moving on, we have liquidity provider. In the Ripple payment network, XRP plays a crucial role as a liquidity provider. When two parties need to exchange funds but do not have a direct currency pair, XRP steps in as an intermediary currency, providing liquidity for the transaction. This function eliminates the need for multiple currency conversions and minimizes the risk associated with holding illiquid assets. As a liquidity provider, XRP facilitates smooth value transfer between different currencies, promoting seamless and efficient global trade. This feature has gained the attention of financial institutions, enabling them to offer enhanced international payment services and expand their reach in the global market. Thirdly, we have remittance solutions. Remittance companies and payment processors have also recognized the potential of XRP to revolutionize the remittance industry. Many individuals around the world rely on remittance services to send money back to their families and loved ones in their home countries. However, traditional remittance methods can be costly and time-consuming, with high fees and slow processing times. By utilizing XRP, remittance companies can offer faster and more cost-effective services to their customers. With XRP's rapid transaction processing and low fees, migrant workers can send money home more efficiently, maximizing the value of their hard-earned income. Lastly, we have e-commerce and micropayments. In the world of e-commerce and digital content, XRP's speed and scalability have led to its adoption for micropayments. Content creators, developers, and platforms can use XRP to facilitate quick and secure micropayments for digital goods and services. Whether it's paying for a single article, a piece of music, or a gaming asset, XRP's efficient transaction processing makes it an ideal choice for microtransactions. By enabling micropayments, XRP opens up new possibilities for monetizing digital content and providing frictionless payment experiences for users. This has the potential to create innovative business models and enhance the overall digital economy. Let's venture into the crucial elements surrounding XRP, which entails the controversies and regulatory obstacles it has confronted, alongside its position amidst the constantly evolving cryptocurrency landscape. XRP has not been without its fair share of controversies, which have had a significant impact on its journey in the cryptocurrency world. One of the most significant controversies arose when the US Securities and Exchange Commission, or the SEC, filed a lawsuit against Ripple Labs in late 2020. The SEC alleged that the sale of XRP tokens constituted an unregistered securities offering, and as a result, Ripple Labs and some of its executives were accused of violating securities laws. This legal battle caused uncertainty and turbulence in the XRP community and led to fluctuations in its price and market sentiment. The outcome of this lawsuit holds immense importance for XRP's future. A ruling in favor of the SEC could potentially result in regulatory repercussions and restrictions on XRP's use and trading within the United States. On the other hand, a favorable outcome for Ripple Labs might pave the way for more regulatory clarity and increased adoption of XRP as a utility token. As with all cryptocurrencies, XRP operates in a rapidly changing and highly competitive landscape. While it has shown remarkable resilience and has carved a niche for itself in the cross-border payment sector, it faces fierce competition from other digital assets and emerging financial technologies. The cryptocurrency market has seen the rise of various alternative payment solutions, including stablecoins and central bank digital currencies, or CBDCs. These digital assets aim to address some of the limitations of traditional cryptocurrencies, such as price volatility and regulatory concerns. As a result, XRP must continuously evolve and innovate to maintain its relevance and competitive edge. Additionally, the development of decentralized finance, or DeFi, and blockchain interoperability solutions further impacts XRP's position in the market. DeFi platforms offer various financial services without intermediaries, potentially disrupting the traditional financial sector and challenging XRP's use cases in certain areas. In this rapidly changing landscape, XRP must navigate both regulatory hurdles and technological advancements to solidify its place as a trailblazer in the world of cryptocurrencies. XRP's journey has been riddled with controversies and regulatory challenges, particularly the SEC lawsuit that has cast a shadow of uncertainty over its future. Moreover, the rapidly evolving cryptocurrency landscape presents both opportunities and challenges for XRP to maintain its relevance and competitive position. As the crypto market continues to mature, XRP's ability to adapt, address regulatory concerns, and innovate will be the key factors determining its success in reshaping the financial landscape. Thank you for joining us today on the Cryptoholics Corner, fellow Cryptonauts. We hope you found this video informative and engaging. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to hit the like button and share it with your friends and fellow crypto enthusiasts. If you haven't already, make sure to subscribe to our channel for more exciting content on cryptocurrencies and blockchain technology. We value your thoughts and opinions, so please leave your comments below about XRP and its role in the rapidly changing cryptocurrency landscape. Stay tuned for more in-depth explorations of the fascinating world of cryptocurrencies. Keep learning, keep growing, and keep embracing the future of finance with XRP. Until next time, happy investing and may the crypto market ever be in your favor.